How to make a chicken stock from scratch. Chicken stock is a key ingredient for a lot cooking. We use it for soups, gravies, stews. The ingredients are very simple. We need some onions, turnip, some garlic, carrots, parsley, celery, some bay leaves, thyme, some black pepper, salt, and we need a chicken carcass. This is, I had it in the freezer. You can use a fresh chicken carcass to make your chicken stock. We add all the ingredients together in the pot. That's the chicken carcass. Turnip, we cut it roughly big. There's one turnip here. Onion. Carrot. All of them cut almost the same size but roughly big. Some celery. Garlic. Some bay leaves. Thyme. If you have the fresh, you use it. I have only the dry one. Is a key ingredient too. Salt and peppercorn. Then the peppercorn and a bouquet of parsley. The last step, we add some cold water, not hot water. That's it. Then we bring it to boil and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes maximum, not 3 to 4 hours, and we will have a good chicken stock. You don't need 3-4 hours for this. After 40 minutes, the chicken stock is ready. Look to the color. Same way you can do it with the turkey bones too. And the taste, it is really delicious. Okay, now we pass it off. We drain like that. Look to the color. Really, it's very aromatic. It smells very good. It will be a very good base for all your soups. Press if there is any more liquid here, like that you take all the flavors. It's easy, simple, and full of flavor. Look at the color. it's already rich in flavor. Very good. Okay, that was all today. Is how to make chicken stock for all your soups. Thank you.